Hey everyone, this is Lesson 31, Session 1, Explore the Coordinate Plane. To start, which point is closest to 0? The point that is closest to 0 is point C. How far from 0 is point E? Point E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units from 0. How would you describe moving from 0 to point D? To move from 0 to point D, we would move 5 units to the right. Number 1, model it. When a horizontal number line and a vertical number line are lined up so that the zeros intersect, a coordinate plane is formed. Letter A. Label the numbers 1 through 4 on the x-axis, the horizontal number line. So we're going to label 0 is right here at the point where they intersect. So on the x-axis, the x is horizontal. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Label numbers 1 through 4 on the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical number line. So 0 is the point where they intersect, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Label the origin, the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect, with the letter O. So there's an O, it could also mean 0. So this point where they intersect is called the origin, O. Number 2. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers called coordinates that describes the location of a point in the coordinate plane. The coordinates of an ordered pair always appear in the same order. First, the x-coordinate and then the y-coordinate. A. If you move only on grid lines, how can you get from the origin of point B, or the origin to point B, in the fewest number of moves? I would like you to try this out and then press play to see if you have it correct. So starting from the origin, going on the grid lines here, we would move 2 units over to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up. So again, that's 2 to the right and 5 units up. Letter B. The ordered pair 2, 5 is a way to represent the location of point B. Use your answer to problem 2A to describe what the x-coordinate of an ordered pair tells you about the point's location and what the y-coordinate tells you about the point's location. The x-coordinate tells you the point's horizontal distance from the origin. So our x-coordinate here is 2. We went over 2 spaces on the x-axis. And the number 2 tells us that we are 2 units away from the origin on the horizontal number line. The second number, 5, represents the y-axis. The 5 tells us that we are 5 units away from the origin on the vertical number line, on the vertical axis. What is the ordered pair for the origin O? So it is 0 units over, and it's 0 units up. So the origin's coordinates are 0, 0. Number 3, reflect. Think about how you have heard the word origin used outside of math. Why do you think point 0, 0 is called the origin? Go ahead and write down your answer. So I've heard origin to mean where something begins. Like the origin of that story is where that story began. Or if somebody's country of origin is the country that they're from. The x and y axes on the coordinate plane begin at 0, 0, so it makes sense to call this point the origin. Your assignment is pages 649 and 650 in your math book. I'll see you later for session 2. Have a good day.